Hi guys, today I want to show you this tool that can be dangerous if it's applied on high voltage or even low voltage, like main voltage 230 volts or 110 or 120 volts. So this screwdriver, I was looking this because I was cleaning my homemade electrical laboratory that I have in my room. So I saw my screwdriver that I use it for opening hard things. This is chrome vanadium. Is strong, as you can see. Is heavy, but this dangerous thing here, that is, this metal goes right in here. It may look like an indicator, but is not. Let me turn off the light for a moment. As you can see, inside is the metal rod that is this here, and is directly connected here, because this screwdriver is for hitting with the hammer and not to measure voltage, presence of voltage with that, because it will immediately kill you, instantly kill. So be careful from those screwdrivers, guys, because those are only to hit with a hammer. Just a second. So guys, this screwdriver is used to hit by hammer like this, and not to measure voltage. You can die directly, so be careful when you choose tools, guys. Well, have a nice day. Stay safe there. Bye.